Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. I've been teaching you principles of management. Today we'll be learning about managing for competitive advantage. What does competitive advantage actually mean? So it means superior performance relative to other competitors in the same industry, or superior performance relative to the industry average. That is, if you're starting a business in a particular industry, like textile industry. So if you talk about textile industry, so there are different competitors in the same industry. So who is performing better, or who is a superior performance? That is called competitive advantage. So it is a favorable position in the organization which seeks in order to be more profitable than its competitors. So, to be the top in the industry, you need to have some fundamental success drivers. So, there are five success drivers: cost competitiveness, differentiation advantage, quality, speed, and innovation. So, we'll be dealing with everything in detail. What does cost competitiveness? So, cost competitiveness means you need to produce a good that is of superior performance with at lower cost. So, cost should be minimum and the performance should be maximum. That is cost competitiveness. But that's not easy to manage for most of the companies. So, how can you compensate that? It is possible by managing resources, labor, manufacturing, and marketing. So, in these different areas, you can compensate for the cost, that is, in managing resources, labor, manufacturing, and marketing. Right. So, if you compensate here, then you can lower the cost of the price to a greater extent. Then differentiation advantage. Differentiation advantage in the sense you're offering a unique product and services and charging a premium price for that. So you have a unique service at hand, and you have to give, or you have to pay a high amount of price for that. So customers are willing to pay higher price only for unique features and best quality products. So say for example, if you have an iPhone, people would prefer having a better, or people would look for the quality, right? Next point is quality. So people would look for the quality, people would look for the specifications, and what how this product is unique from the others. So that portion or that point would be taken into consideration. So if you have a different product, then people will be ready to buy that product irrespective of the price. Thirdly, it is quality. So quality is a excellence of a product. So how well or how reliable it is, or how dependable it is, that is one of the most important thing that you want to have in your product, because that is something which is being hunted by most of the customers, right? People will go for the quality only right now, nowadays, because without quality, that product wouldn't sustain long. So quality is one of the major factors that contribute to cost competitiveness. I mean, like competitive advantage. Next is speed. Speed means how timely you'd get the product at hand if you're buying online. Then how, or otherwise also at shop, if the product is not available at shop, then how fast you can get the item. Okay, that is speed. So if you receive the product in a very short span of time, then you'll be impressed by the company, right, or the product. So that is what is called as speed. Then innovation. Innovation in the sense, as I have discussed earlier about innovation, the companies must take this innovative step into hand, because only if there is innovative deed in a product, then that product would sustain in the market for long. If there is no innovation in a particular product, then that product wouldn't sustain in the market for long. So, the result of the process leads the company to dominate by producing new products and services to the customers. So, that is how a new product is being launched in the market by this innovative aspect. So, that is also a very important factor for competitive advantage. Hope it is clear for you what is competitive advantage and what are the 5 success drivers for the competitive advantage. Right. So, that's all for today. Thank you.